Problem solving and process improvement. In business world, problem solving is one of the basic procedures to be successful. An important aspect of problem solving is to eliminate a cause so that the problem does not recur. This is one of the basic process in problem solving which contains 7 steps. Step 1. Define the problem and define the improvement goals. This is the focal point of this process because the next process depends on this. So one must carefully identify which the problem is. Step 2. Develop performance measures and collect data. The data to solution must be based on fact. It is more convenient to use quality tools like check sheet, scatter diagram, and others that will be discussed later. Step 3. Analyze the problem. In this step, the manager or problem solving need to break down the problems. Step 4. Generate potential solution. In here, one need to create the plans. It can be one, but more option is more preferable because it's not like plan A always work. Step 5. Choose a solution. Once those plan was created, now is the time to choose which is the most suitable and appropriate. One must take account to the firm's or group financial and human capability. Step 6. Implement the solution. Now that the plan has been chosen, implementing or applying the solution is the next step. Step 7. Monitor the result to see if it accomplishes the goal. After applying the solution, the last step is to monitor the result. If it meets the goal, then good. The company can standardize the new method. But if not, then go back to step 5. Choose another plan that you've created. Implement, then monitor the result. Six Sigma, a business process to improve quality, save time, cut costs, and improve customer satisfaction. Six Sigma program can be employed in design, production, service, inventory management, and delivery. Quality tools. There are numbers of tools that an organization can use for problem solving and process improvement. Today, we will discuss the 7 basic quality tools. Flowchart, a diagram of the step in a process. The flowchart shows the step as boxes of various kinds, and their order by connecting the boxes with arrows. Check sheet, a tool for recording and organizing data to identify the problem. The data it captures can be qualitative or quantitative. When the information is quantitative, the check sheet is sometimes called a tally sheet. Histogram, a chart of an empirical frequency distribution. It summarizes discrete or continuous data by showing the number of data points that fall within the specified range or value. Pareto analysis, technique for classifying problem areas according to the degree of importance and focusing on the most important. Scatter diagram, a graph that shows the degree and direction of relationship between two variables. Control charts are a statistical process control tools used to determine if a manufacturing or business process is in the state of control. It is more appropriate to say that a control chart are the graphical device for statistical process monitoring. Cause and effect diagram, a diagram used to search for the cause or causes of the problem. It also called fishbone diagram because of its shape. Addition to the quality tools, the run chart, also known as the run sequence plot, is a graph that displays observed data in a time sequence. Often, the data displayed represents some aspect of the output or performance of a manufacturing or other business process. It is therefore a form of line chart. Methods of generating ideas. Some additional tools that are useful for problem solving and for process improvement are brainstorming, quality circle, and benchmark. Brainstorming is a technique for generating a free flow of ideas in a group of people. The goal is to generate ideas on identifying the problems, finding the cause and solution, and the way to implement a solution. Quality circle. Group of workers who meet to discuss the way of improving product or processes. Major distinction between quality circles and team is that the quality circle has very little authority. Benchmarking is the process of comparing business processes and performance metrics to industry's best and best practice from other companies. Dimensions typically measured are quality, time, and cost.